Welcome to Pinecrest View Apartments, a masterpiece of modern urban living nestled in the thriving Kilimani area. Stepping into a world of redefined elegance, the main door is secured with a password system, offering both convenience and enhanced security. Beyond the door, a built-in shoe rack greets you, a practical yet stylish addition that keeps your space organized. As you walk in, the home opens into a spacious sitting area designed for comfort and relaxation. The room's focal point is a sleek TV stand featuring a modern electric fireplace, adding warmth and character. The ambience is further elevated by a sliding glass door that allows natural light to flood the room. These doors lead out to a private balcony, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. The dining and kitchen space is adjacent to the sitting area, a harmonious blend of functionality and style. The dining area comfortably fits a 4-seater table, making it ideal for shared meals and conversation. The open-plan kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring ample space for meal preparation and abundant storage for your kitchen essentials. It comes fitted with a double sink, a 4-burner cooker, an oven, and a smoke extractor, ensuring every culinary need is met. A door leads to the second balcony from the kitchen, thoughtfully designed as a laundry area. This practical addition ensures that household chores are convenient and separate from the main living space. The first bathroom, located in the hallway, is both functional and beautifully designed. It features a spacious shower area, a water closet, a sink, and an oval-shaped mirror that adds a touch of elegance. This bathroom serves both guests and the secondary bedroom. The first bedroom is a haven of comfort. Sunlight streams through 2 large windows, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The room is spacious enough to accommodate a queen-size bed with side drawers, while still leaving plenty of room to move around. Built-in wardrobes provide ample storage, keeping the space neat and organized. Finally, the crown jewel of the home is the master and suite bedroom. A short corridor leads you into this luxurious retreat. On one side, you'll find the master bathroom equipped with a rain shower head for a spa-like experience, a water closet, a sink, and a mirror. Every detail has been carefully thought out to maximize comfort. The bedroom itself is a sanctuary, offering plenty of space to easily fit a king-size bed, Even with the bed, the room is large enough to accommodate a cozy chair, perfect for relaxation with a book or just enjoying a quiet moment. The fitted wardrobes provide generous storage, ensuring all your belongings have their space. From the thoughtful design to the interiors to the world-class amenities, Pinecrest View Apartment represents the pinnacle of modern living. This isn't just a home, it's a community that combines luxury, convenience, and style to create living experience like no other. Thank you so much for watching and just journeying with us through this apartment. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.